Imagine a world where your investments not only grow your wealth but also contribute to the advancement of society. It's a compelling vision, isn't it? This is the power of investing in the future, a concept that goes beyond traditional financial growth and delves into creating a better world for us all. Investing in the future is about putting your money into areas that hold promise for the times ahead. It's about recognizing the trends and innovations that are set to shape our world in the coming years and decades. It's about understanding the potential of sectors like technology, sustainability, and emerging markets and how they could redefine our lives and economies. Technology is one such area. The blistering pace of technological innovation is creating a host of opportunities for investors. From artificial intelligence that's transforming industries to biotechnology that's revolutionizing healthcare, technology is at the forefront of the future. Then there's sustainability, a concept that's no longer a choice but a necessity. With increasing awareness about environmental issues, businesses are shifting towards more sustainable practices, creating a new wave of investment opportunities. Companies that prioritize sustainability aren't just doing good for the planet, they're also positioning themselves for long-term success in a world that's becoming increasingly conscious of its environmental footprint. Lastly, let's not forget emerging markets. These are economies that are in the process of rapid growth and industrialization. Investing in these markets can provide diversification and offer a unique set of opportunities that mature markets may not. It's about recognizing the potential in regions that are on the cusp of significant economic transformation. So you see, investing in the future is not a distant concept. It's happening right now. It's about understanding the world around us, recognizing the trends, and making informed decisions. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Investing in the future is not just about securing financial growth, but also about actively participating in shaping a better world. Artificial intelligence, renewable energy, biotechnology, these aren't just buzzwords, they're the future of our world. In the grand chessboard of innovation, artificial intelligence stands as a game changer. It's transforming industries, right from healthcare and education to finance and logistics, by automating processes, improving efficiency, and creating new business models. Artificial intelligence is not just streamlining operations, it's also driving revenue growth, making it a lucrative area for investment. Then we have renewable energy. As traditional sources of energy deplete and environmental concerns rise, the move towards renewable energy sources has become a necessity rather than a choice. From solar panels to wind turbines and beyond, the renewable energy sector promises not just a cleaner future, but also a wealth of investment opportunities. Let's not forget about biotechnology, the silent revolution happening in our labs and research centers. Biotechnology has been instrumental in the development of new treatments, enhanced diagnostics, and improved public health. The COVID-19 pandemic thrust biotechnology into the global spotlight, and the sector's potential has never been more evident. As we continue to face new health challenges, the role of biotechnology will only grow, making it a promising field for investment. These breakthrough technologies are not just shaping our future, they're also driving economic growth. They're creating jobs, boosting productivity, and offering new ways to solve age-old problems. For investors, these technologies present a golden opportunity to be part of something bigger. A future where technology advances our lives, where energy is clean and sustainable, and where health is a priority. So when we talk about investing in the future, we're talking about investing in technologies that are making a difference today and will continue to do so tomorrow. We're talking about putting our money where it can foster innovation, fuel growth, and deliver returns. These technologies are not only transforming the way we live, but also offer immense investment opportunities. Investing in the future also means investing in our planet. There's been a seismic shift in the world of investing over the past few years. Sustainable investing, sometimes known as green or ethical investing, has risen from a niche pursuit to a key consideration for investors worldwide. But what exactly is it? Sustainable investing refers to the practice of investing in companies that are committed to making a positive environmental impact. It's about supporting businesses that prioritize sustainable practices, from reducing their carbon footprint to investing in renewable energy and beyond. It's an investment strategy that takes into account not just financial returns, but also the long-term health of our planet. And this isn't just a trend. It's a paradigm shift reflecting the increasing awareness of our collective responsibility towards the environment. As we face the realities of climate change, resource depletion, and environmental degradation, many investors are choosing to put their money where their values are, supporting businesses that are part of the solution rather than the problem. Let's take a look at some companies leading the way. One example is a company that has pledged to become carbon neutral by 2030. They are achieving this by transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency in their operations, and investing in carbon offset projects. Another company, a global fashion brand, is making strides in sustainable fashion. They've committed to using only organic or recycled materials in their products by 2025, a bold step in an industry known for its environmental impact. These are just a few examples of the multitude of companies worldwide that are embracing sustainable practices and providing investors with the opportunity to make a meaningful impact with their investments. In conclusion, sustainable investing is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that allows investors to align their financial goals with their values, contributing to a more sustainable future for us all. Sustainable investing not only offers financial returns, but also contributes to a greener and healthier world. The world is a marketplace, teeming with opportunities. Let's take a journey into the realm of global markets, a vast dynamic landscape where economic trends shape the contours of investment possibilities. Emerging markets, for instance, are like promising seeds. They're the economies that are just starting to show their potential, often characterized by rapid growth and development. Investing in these markets can offer substantial returns, but like any investment, it's not without risk. That's where the beauty of diversification comes in. By spreading your investments across different regions, you're not just putting all your eggs in one basket, you're creating a mosaic of opportunities, each piece contributing to your overall investment strategy. Imagine your investment portfolio as a world map. Each region represents a different sector, each country a different asset. This global approach can help mitigate risks and enhance potential returns. Investing globally is a key strategy for capitalizing on the growth of emerging markets and spreading risk. Investing in the future is not a choice, it's a necessity. We've journeyed together through the landscape of tomorrow's investments. From breakthrough technologies like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and biotechnology, to the rise of sustainable investing and the vast opportunities in emerging global markets. These are the pillars of forward-thinking investments. They're not just about financial growth, but about shaping a better world. Consider the impact of your investments. Each dollar placed in sustainable practices or groundbreaking technologies is a vote for a greener, more advanced future. Diversifying across different regions not only offers economic benefits, but also fosters global development. Investing in these areas is a powerful way to contribute to the world. It's about creating a future that's not only prosperous, but also sustainable and inclusive. It's time to take action. Start investing in the future today and be a part of the change you want to see in the world.